Hello everyone, welcome to Job Simplify channel where we provide off-campus jobs and internship opportunities for freshers candidate. So in this video, we will be discussing about the off-campus hiring from Samsung, Accenture, Inford and Tata 1mg. This is a freshers hiring, so all freshers, graduates in any discipline or branches can apply for this opportunity. This is the latest hiring, so all freshers must apply for this opportunity. So let's see more details about the jobs. First hiring update is from Samsung. Samsung is hiring for their internship program for software development engineer. So talking about who can apply for this opportunity, then the final year candidates who are currently pursuing their BE BTech in CS IT EC branch and MSc degree who are passing out in 2023 batch can apply for this opportunity. You should be having aggregate 7.5 CGPA throughout your graduation. This will be a paid internship where they are hiring for the Chennai location. And just after the selection, you will be immediately joining the company. So if you are interested, then you must apply for this internship program by clicking on the below link where you have to mention all your basic necessary details. Second hiring update is from Accenture. Accenture is hiring for their new associate role for Hyderabad location. So the candidates who are having graduate degree in any branches or discipline with 0 to 1 year of experience can apply for this opportunity. So talking about the roles and responsibilities, then you will be required to solve day-to-day problems where you will be directly interacting with your team and supervisor. So any graduate degree holders who are seeking for the job must apply for this opportunity. Third hiring update is from Inford. Inford is hiring for trainee software engineer for Bangalore location. So talking about who can apply for this opportunity, then the candidate who are having BE BTech, ME MTech degree in computer science IT with minimum 60% throughout their academic career from class 10th to graduation must apply for this opportunity. The candidate must be passing out in 2022 or 23 batch. You should be having knowledge in Java programming languages with good aptitude and knowledge in OOPS concept. So this is also a freshers hiring where they are hiring for full-time employee. So you must apply. Fourth hiring and the last hiring for this video is from Tata 1mg. Tata 1mg is hiring for executive role for Gurgaon location. So talking about the qualification, then you should be having bachelor's degree in pharma or science with minimum 2 years of experience with excellent organizational and communication skills and also a knowledge in MS Office. This is also a full-time opportunity, so if you are eligible, then you must apply for this hiring. And if you haven't watched our previous videos related to off-campus hirings and internships opportunity for freshers, then you must watch the video and apply for this opportunity. And also consider subscribing our channel to receive more off-campus job updates. Thank you.